Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is On-Chain Mode, and in this video I'll be explaining what you need to know about the contract migration, that is the latest update on the PCM ecosystem that has been posted. So the team, based on their current update on Twitter, they say that we should create a contract address migration. This contract address migration is necessary for you to be able to migrate your tokens, all right, to migrate your tokens to mainnet. And once your tokens are being migrated to the mainnet, that is when you can send out your token. And even when the token is being listed on exchanges, it's gonna be tradable and can also be sent out directly from the mainnet wallet. So this video is how to create a mainnet wallet so that you stay updated in this latest airdrop that we've been mining since last year. This airdrop, we all know that has a collaboration. This project actually, we all know that has a collaboration with Pi, and Pi is currently heavily supporting it. All right. So here is how you can now create a mainnet wallet. The first thing you have to do is to update the app. Update the app because some decentralized applications have been added into it recently. So you have to go and update the app from Play Store, also in Apple Store. And after you've updated the app, you have to re-log in with your email and password. And after you've logged in, you can now head over to where you have this just log into the website, and then you head over to where you have this wallet right here. All right. And then as soon as you click on that wallet right there, it's going to take you to the next step. Now I can now see here now that I need to create a contract wallet. So what you have to do is to click on this PCM token. As soon as you click on this PCM token section, it's going to take you, it's going to bring out this, this card right here for you to create a contract wallet. So what you have to do now is to click on this create a contract wallet. And as soon as you click on that create contract wallet, then it is going to pop out this particular section. What you have to do now, you can see this little button at the left. You have to drag it to the right here to fill up this place. Now while you are dragging it to the right, you have to ensure that this little image right here also fit together with this image right here. All right, so while you are dragging this one to the right, you have to pay attention to this image that is fitting into this particular one. All right, then once you do that, you drag it to the right, then it's gonna bring out this information for you to fill in. So what you have to do now, they said before processing with the creation of your mainnet address, please confirm the following. So they want you to back up your confirmation, and also they want you to just read through this and understand what you have to know about the migration, the creation of the mainnet wallet. So they said after you've ticked this one, now you come right here, tick this one. They say self-custody responsibility. Now they said I understand that this is a self-custody wallet, and I acknowledge that I am solely responsible for any associated fund, asset, or account. I will take appropriate action to secure, protect, and back up my wallet. So you have to ensure that you back up the 12 key phrase of this your wallet. And after you backed it up, write it down in a secure place, and don't give it out to anyone, because anybody that you give access to your 12 key phrase of this PCM wallet is going to drain everything that you have, every money or coins that are right in your PCM wallet. Now, after you've read through it, you come here, click on this, highlight this as well, and come here, highlight this as well, agree to the terms and condition. And after you've agreed to the terms and condition, just look below, scroll right down below, and click on the save and submit button. All right, so right now I have created my mainnet migration wallet. That is why you can now see the token that I sent into it has now shown. You can now see that 2.71 PCM token that I migrated from my balance into the PCM migrated wallet has now shown, and you can see the dollar value of the token that I migrated to the mainnet right there at the bottom, showing $0.09. All right. So now, anytime you create, when once you create the mainnet migration wallet, you can now be able to transfer the tokens or the coins that you have been mining. You can be able to convert all these coins here right here in your wallet and send them into the mainnet. And when once you send them into the mainnet, you can be able to transact it in P2P, or you can be able to send it out to someone. All right. So recently, the team announced that they are soon gonna be listing this token. So you have to ensure that you stay updated in our Telegram group to know when the listing is gonna be happening. All right. So that's it, guys. That's all you need to know. In case you have any question, do drop your question at the comment section, or you can drop them right in our community for faster answering. And if this video was very helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video, and bye for now.